So it means all of what Prophet brought and what the 𝐈𝐦𝐻𝐴, the real 𝐈𝐦𝐻𝐴, who not only translate hadith but they understood the reality of the hadith, and they're able to talk to you in a very basic simple English. That's the miraculous nature of the duroos. They can take very complicated realities and talk in a way that 6-year-old kids, 5-year-old kids can understand. So it means to protect the home from negative energy. Then when you're sleeping you realize that if you go to your left you're going to put a duress upon the heart. It's not going to have a shield of protection, and the worst position is if you sleep on your stomach, because that's a complete inviting of negative energies. As soon as you sleep on your stomach, your most vulnerable part of your body is exposed to the air, and every type of negativity is entering in now through that rear end. And as they enter in, they increase the negativity, increase the anger, increase every horrific characteristic into insan is coming through the nighttime visitations. And what again the greatness of Prophet was to teach about these energies and teach about the reality of jinn. So when you're watching all the YouTube and all the television shows that the children are watching, alien abductions, what alien abductions? These are the jinn. They're not coming with a UFO ship from somewhere else, they're right there in your room. That's why they're molesting you and abusing you and beating you. And everything that Prophet brought was this. There's no aliens with a ship coming from a distant planet, they're right there in the room. Protect yourself against the unseen creations of Allah. And that protection is to wash, to keep the wudu, to keep yourself closed when you're sleeping, sleep on your back, sleep on your right, and constantly be in the practice of making salawat on Prophet. So when you feel an attack coming, you feel something that has grabbed you or something trying to grab you, it's a second nature to call upon Prophet by saying, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. It has in it the zikr of Allah and the praising upon Prophet. So you've got the double protection. You have Allah's attention with His most beloved. If you get the nazar of Sayyidina Muhammad upon you, when Prophet comes to give back a greeting and salutation, that is when the haqq comes, every falsehood has to leave that environment and that room. But it has to be second nature, otherwise people say that they're under attack all night long and it's not coming to them what to say. And that's why then awliya come into our life. No, be in the practice of constant durood al-sharif, because that is praising upon Allah and mentioning His most beloved creation whom Allah loves dearly, Sayyidina Muhammad. By making it a second nature, then you're constantly in durood al-sharif. So then keeping the head covered, sleeping on the back, not sleeping upon the stomach, for every negativity enters into the body. Pray that Allah give us more and more understanding of malakut and what they call energy and these realities, especially with the world of the unseen that people are calling alien and alien abduction. No, this is the world of the jinn. They're all around for us to become familiar and to understand that creation is a part of faith. Is to believe in the unseen, to believe in angels, to believe in these things from malakut and from a dimension that we don't see. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifoon wa salaamun ala al-mursalin.